Gusto mo bang manalo ng cash prize habang natututo? Join us in the search for 10 Readers of the Month. Ito ay isang libreng serbisyo mula sa iVolunteer for Filipino Children.
Short quiz, reading big numbers. Instructions. 1. Read the number. 2. Identify the place value of the encircled digit. The number is 483,543. The encircled digit 4 is in the hundred thousands place. The number is 613,341. The encircled digit 0 is in the thousands place. The number is 442,302. The encircled digit 3 is in the hundreds place. The number is 982,349. The encircled digit 8 is in the 10,000s place. The number is 899,343. The encircled digit 9 is in the thousands place. The number is 541,454. The encircled digit 1 is in the thousands place. The number is 544,364. The encircled digit 5 is in the hundred thousands place. The number is 844,583. The encircled digit 8 is in the hundred thousands place. The number is 230,311. The encircled digit 0 is in the thousands place. The number is 879,371. The encircled digit 7 is in the 10,000s place. The number is 272,500. The encircled digit 7 is in the 10,000s place. The number is 443,545. The encircled digit 4 is in the tens place. The number is 972,504. The encircled digit 2 is in the thousands place. The number is 470,505. The encircled digit 0 is in the tens place. The number is 518,149. The encircled digit 8 is in the thousands place. The number is 444,314. The encircled digit 4 is in the hundred thousands place. The number is 308,035. The encircled digit 8 is in the thousands place. The number is 341,434. The encircled digit 4 is in the ones place. The number is 799,366. The encircled digit 3 is in the hundreds place. The number is 270,311. The encircled digit 0 is in the thousands place. The number is 518,149. The encircled digit 5 is in the hundred thousands place. The number is 379,317. The encircled digit 9 is in the thousands place. The number is 644,444. The encircled digit 4 is in the tens place. The number is 583,043. The encircled digit 3 is in the thousands place. The number is 942,312. The encircled digit 4 is in the 10,000s place. The number is 680,366. The encircled digit 3 is in the hundreds place. The number is 441,414. The encircled digit 4 is in the 10,000s place. The number is 882,343. The encircled digit 8 is in the 10,000s place. The number is 344,580. The encircled digit 3 is in the 100,000s place. The number is 870,315. The encircled digit 7 is in the 10,000s place. The number is 308,035. The encircled digit 8 is in the thousands place. The number is 270,555. The encircled digit 0 is in the thousands place. The number is 618,366. The encircled digit 1 is in the 10,000s place. The number is 643,546. The encircled digit 6 is in the ones place.
Sa mga magulang na interesadong mag-join sa IVFC family upang maging mahusay ang mga anak sa mathematics, mangyari po lamang makipag-ugnayan sa mga admin ng IVFC Early Learners Info page.